I've been busy touring America. Let me recognize this person. Zoe Kent! Zoe, will you take us on a tour of Kent Farms?
Yes.
Let's go! Where are you taking me?
Tractors.
Tractors! Whoa. Planter.
Green.
Tractor. Large. Farms. Where are we going next?
Barns. Machine shed. We got like all of that. Come with me.
Another door. The machines! What model is this? Wow! Wow! And the frogs, where are the frogs? Are they gone?
We're not going to that corner.
This is a very large tractor. What model is this? Why is my forehead so popping off shiny right now? I asked and didn't listen. At 493?
90 through 30.
972. Write that down.
Oh boy. I feel like I'm in your video. Wave to the people.
Is this a horn?
For scale, I'm basically 6 feet tall.
Wow. We're now looking at a corn tour. I'm lost. I'm lost in the corn.
Crack this guy on open.
Wow.
And it's good because the tip's all the way full. Because you want it to fill out all the way to the top. Like the ear looks like normal and like the lines are straight. This looks like a good, healthy ear. Wow!
Don't want to damage the heels. At least the heels are like, well, we'll just like walk over a lot of it.